In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to assign an Edpuzzle video inside Schoology, so your students can watch, answer questions, and get graded automatically. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your teacher account, and of course, open the course you want to assign the Edpuzzle. Now, all I have to do is go to the left side area of the dashboard and click the My Content. Okay, so in this case, all I have to do is go to the materials you wanted to assign to Schoology, and here I am choosing this specific video. Double click on it and you will be forwarded to the editor. In the top corner, you have the ability to assign it to Schoology by clicking this Assign Arrow button. And then I want you to scroll down until you find the Create Class. Because if you do, you will be forwarded to many options, including Schoology. Click on it. Now, all I have to do at this point is to open Schoology and select a class. Click on the Add Materials, select Edpuzzle. Now, the thing is, I don't have a Schoology account. But if you do, all I have to do is super simple. Click the Setup Edpuzzle and you will be forwarded to this option to follow all these steps and instructions. Okay, so copy the consumer key, copy the shared secret, and allow permissions so Schoology and Edpuzzle can sync grades and students. You only need to do this once, alright? After that, all I have to do is click Assign to confirm. And basically, the Edpuzzle will now appear automatically in your Schoology materials. That's it for today's video on how to assign an Edpuzzle in Schoology. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.